Hi everyone, this is Greg from Trading College with your free market update. So today is the 29th of March. It's the last trading day of the month. So it's payday, happy days for profitable traders, and almost time for the weekend as well. So today I want to have a quick look at an alert that was sent out yesterday in the live trading room. So you can see here 23/08/2019 at 10:17 in the morning. I was mentioning the pound CAD look for a break below 17,607, the daily support, and we have a 4-hour momentum trigger which has been setting up. So if we go to the pound CAD yesterday, then you will see in the live trading room, this is the signal that I was referring to. So we're looking at the storyteller, and we see that there is a red histogram forming. We have moving averages above price. We have daily sell signal at the same time. It wasn't confirmed at the time. That is why I was looking to see if we break below the daily support, which was around the 17,607 area. So as you can see, we had the retracement back up, and then we came very nicely down. Very good trade. Again, if we look in terms of where we would have entered, so it was around 607, which was the alert, breaking that and then coming down into supporting areas. So if you traded that to support, that is 105 pip movement in one trade. Very nice trade indeed. And it is just simple, following the system which was giving us the red PTS on the day, breaking support and then having momentum in your favor with room to move to the next moving average. So if you would like to learn more about this momentum trigger strategy, the pro trading system and other signals that we use, then please come along to our Learn to Trade Live. It is a day filled with education. The next one is going to be on the 13th of April. So Saturday the 13th of April. We start at 9:15 in the morning. We go straight to 5 o'clock in the afternoon. It is all education. We talk about the different strategies that we use. So we talk about the morning move strategy, where we try to make our day's money before we go to work. The momentum trigger, which I've just shown you, which spot those big trades. And trend predictor, which we've done a whole bunch of videos on, and the pro trading system, which we used in combination with the momentum trigger for this pound CAD trade. So if you would like to know more about these strategies and other things that we do, then please come along for the day. It is a CPD accredited course as well, so if you come from the start and you stay right till the end, you can request a CPD certificate for this course. All that we require is a £50 deposit, and if you stay to the end, then that deposit will be refunded in the following week. So please come along and join us on this day. Go to tradingcollege.co.uk, which will give you this tab here at the top. Click on courses, click on Learn to Trade Live, and it will take you straight to the space so that you can secure your free spot. It's only a £50 deposit that's required. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will speak to you again at a later stage. Have a good weekend, everyone. Bye.